Good morning, everybody. So it's been a little over a week since we've noticed that DJI is not selling to people in the US through their web store, but there is a hack here technically on the screen. I was looking at it the other day and I had my VPN on, so it recognized that I was in Canada according to my VPN, so it offered me to click and go into the Canadian store, and then all of a sudden all these things that were out of stock last week when I was looking at it through the US store were now showing up as available and that I could purchase them. I could add them to my cart. Even the Mini 3 Pro here, like you saw. And then I started going through some of the other ones, some of the other drones, and the Pocket and the Power 1000, different devices that I know that I actually believe the Power 1000 was available for purchase in the US, but certain packages of it were out of stock. But I wasn't having that problem here in the Canadian store. So I just wanted to show this, that technically using a VPN and then accessing DJI's store from another country like Canada, if you're one of those people that kind of lives close to the Canadian border, I guess you could use this to have it delivered to maybe like a public place, Amazon has those little lockers that you can have stuff shipped to. I know UPS and FedEx kind of have the same thing, so I guess you could put in an address like that, drive across the border, go pick it up once it's been delivered, and bring it back to the US. And that way you could do that workaround of how to get it if you're in the US, but it's showing up out of stock in the US store. So this is just a real quick video. I just wanted to show you all. So you do have to have a Canadian address when you fill it out. But tell me what you think. Love you guys. Bye.